Hey everybody, Dr. Adam here. I'm going to go over the simple technique of rolling out your mid-back and shoulder blades as well as your upper back to relieve tension and stress that builds out throughout the day. It can also help improve posture, flexibility, and range of motion. So to start this technique, you'll bring the foam roller behind you as you're sitting in a position here. You'll gently bring your body back to the foam roller so then it's positioned down and right between your mid-back and shoulder blade area. To take stress off the neck and upper back, you'll interlock your fingers, bring them behind your head and neck so you can support them in a position that allows them to relax. From this point here, what you'll do is bridge your hips gently off the floor, keeping your neck, head, shoulders, and spine in a nice position parallel with the floor like this. And what you'll do is you'll gently draw your hips to your ankles by pulling down to roll up into the shoulders, and then gently push away to get down lower into the shoulder blade area itself. By rolling back and forth, you'll slowly be massaging these muscles, reducing tension and stress, improving flexibility in the spine, and opening everything up. You'll typically start off with 15 to 20 times rolling back and forth. You can spend a minute or two going back gently over the back and spine to reduce more tension and stress. You can perform this exercise multiple times a day to take back breaks from long days of lifting and bending or sitting in front of a computer or electronics to improve overall posture or reduce stress. This is a great exercise to do on a daily basis to keep your spine healthy and get great results here at the office. If you have any questions, let me know, and take care and have a great day.